topsy-turvy, wake up early, could be anywhere. Madly, truly, could have fooled me. Ooh, Cupid.
Okay, fam, MVP squad, welcome back to another video. Listen, I gotta change out the menu plan. I'll do that. I don't know if it'll be included in this video, but anyways, my refrigerator. Y'all, I'm embarrassed to show y'all this, but I believe in keeping it real. So I'm gonna show y'all my refrigerator. A girl is about to do some work. I wiped it down. I don't know why I was doing this. I wiped it down earlier. I wiped it down. I cleaned my kitchen. See, kitchen nice and clean. Woo woo. Let's just take a minute to appreciate the clean kitchen. Dining room table. I just tried this too. Love my carpet cleaner. And that's why my little scrub brush is here, because I was like trying to scrub. My rug is a whole hot mess because like people don't know how to like not walk on it and walk around it because it's like white. Well, it was, but like it's not white no more. But we gonna see. It said let it dry and then vacuum it. So while that's drying, we're gonna clean the refrigerator. I'm gonna show y'all the before. All right, gotta hurry up and look. Told you it's gross. Okay, I showed y'all. Now let's fix it.
I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She luminous so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go?
Don't want no more of this. Had a little bit too much of that on the catamaran.
Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just being your son's alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 Better if I say there's songs for you when you feel down and bitter. Shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how we everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J, yeah. We'll be so dangerous in love, girl. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh. Shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just being your son's alright, girl. I want nobody but you.
Now that the refrigerator is all clean, I'm going to put away these groceries I got from Target. I got some really great deals. This is a budget-friendly grocery haul. This video is also a group collaboration, so please check the playlist down below in the description box. It's hosted by Wanda from Miss Wanda or Grandma Does It All, and the co-host is Sierra from Just Being Sierra. Over everything, I got some stuff behind me as well as some on the floor. So first over here, I have a case of 24-pack of purified drinking water, and then over here I have two Mountain Dew zero sugar. I like these, and so does Brian. And then we have a 12-pack of Pepsi. I had coupons for the drinks, so yeah, that had coupon. And then this is everything else. So the reason why I did Target was I had a $5 off coupon when you spend $35 or more. Then the drinks were on sale for 25% off. Plus they what else was it? It was 25% off. Plus they were 3 for $15 when you buy Pepsi products. And I had one more coupon, but I'll list it on the top of the screen. But anyways, let's get started. So I got some Keebler Vienna Fingers cookies. These also had a coupon. I think it was like 20% off. Goya coconut milk. I'm going to make some curry shrimp. And then I got some tomato paste, tomato sauce, a small can and a big one. I use that to make my own spaghetti sauce. Then I have some plant-based ground beef. I'm going to make me some tacos with that and other stuff. Boneless chicken bites, honey barbecue flavor. Those are Brielle's favorite. I have a bag of fruity dino bites. It's like the generic fruity pebbles. And those also had a coupon. Then I got Peppa a treat. This is birthday biscuit. It's birthday cake flavored biscuit. That also had a coupon. We have some jasmine rice. Some salt. Some witch hazel for my face. I love using original witch hazel, and this had a $2 off coupon, so that was a really good deal. Then I got some vegetables because we were low on veggies. So I have 3 things of broccoli cuts. I have 1 bag of crinkle cut carrots, 2 things of cut green beans, and then 1 thing of corn, gold and white corn blend. Then we have 2 boxes of home style waffles, a thing of unsalted butter, a gallon of 1% milk, a box of honeycomb, a loaf of Wonder Bread, and an 18 count of eggs. This grocery challenge was to spend less than $120, and I spent $76.67. So I would say it was a success. Now to put these groceries away. Now time to organize my pantry. Organization helps me know what I have on hand, thus reduces me buying duplicate items, and this definitely helps your grocery budget. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will catch you guys in our next video. Bye.